This 2026 East to West Della Terra 191BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Albuquerque, New Mexico, 87121 and is offered for sale by Good Sense RV and Motors. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features a gray tan interior, sleeps 7, slide-out, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.